Shouldn't wait for the on-campus hiring, because off-campus hiring is also one of the best option for freshers or for college graduates. So if you are the college graduate, or if you are currently in college and going to pass out your, like you are in the last semester of your college, then you should explore the off-campus hiring. Off-campus hiring, which is for the intern level or entry level, then these opportunities are just for you. Make sure you apply them. Why to miss a chance? This is for engineering students, so stay tuned. I'm talking about the company Goldman Sachs. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about the job opportunity for freshers. So I'm talking about the Goldman Sachs company, which is located in Bangalore. They have a recently updated one new job, which is of the controller software engineering. So if you are in any of the stream in the engineering student, you are the engineering student, then this is the good opportunity for you. Your responsibility will be to manage an end-to-end development, like systems development cycle, like what are the requirement of like coding, testing, UAT, and implementation and maintenance. Then you have to develop the high level technical design, then testing the strategies. All these things will be done, but you will be under senior. You will work under senior, so you don't have to, you should have that knowledge. This is not compulsory. They are going to teach you as well. You should have a bachelor's or the master's degree in computer science or any technical discipline. This is not specifically for CSE student or ECE student. No, they have mentioned only the technical discipline. You should have the hands-on software development experience, preferably like if you have the knowledge of Java, C++, Python, Scala, or you have the knowledge of RDBMS or NoSQL database, then also they are going to hire you. You should have the strong programming knowledge. Any one programming knowledge is enough, because they are hiring for freshers. But I would recommend you that you go through each one of the things. Like you should go through to the aptitude, you have to go through to the data structure, network. You should know the programming, like you have learned any programming language, Java, C++, Python, any programming language that you have learned during your college time, that programming language you pick up. You learn the syntax again, you revise the syntax again, then you move on to the next step, which is building projects, so that you have the good logical things. So then you create any one project. So basically, if you will apply today, they will take, or at least like they will take 10 to 15 days to process everyone's application, and then they will shortlist on the basis of application itself, and then they will come back to you. So be prepared. Until then, you still have the 10 to 15 days time. This is the minimum duration that I'm telling, but sometimes like company used to take more than a month even. So you can prepare yourself after applying for the jobs as well. So you apply for the job. This is a good opportunity. Link I have added in the description. This is 5 days working. It is in office, full time. Salary they haven't disclosed, because they are not looking for the experienced person, and the job location is Bangalore. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet.